Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Delta Force crashing, not launching, freezing, not loading, stuck on loading screen or black screen issue on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. The first solution is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Then unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and check problem fixed or not. Second solution is to log out and log in. Simply log out from your PlayStation network account, go to settings, users and accounts, others, sign out. Wait for a few minutes and then log in back. If you have any other secondary account, then you can log in with that and check if that fixes the issue or not. Fix 3 is to change console language. Open your PS5 settings and navigate to system. Go to the language section, then select your current language. Then try changing it to English or any other language to fix the problem. Fourth solution is to switch internet connection. First of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can connect to other Wi-Fi network and check. And the tip is to restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 5 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the option button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. See which one works for you. Fix 6 is to rebuild database on PS5. Power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound. Then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS5 button. Now use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now launch Delta Force and check if your issue is fixed or not. 7th solution is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and account, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Now select Delta Force game and select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, check problem is fixed or not. Fix 8 is to check your PS5 is not overheating or has enough storage space. So touch your PS5 and check if it is not overheating. If it is, then let it cool. And also make sure your PS5 is placed with ample space around it. Make sure the PS5 opening is clean and there is no dust buildup. Also make sure that your PS5 has enough memory storage. And do not use your PS5 for extended gaming sessions. Fix 9 is to enable HDCP. Go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP. Now check problem fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then you can launch the game and check. 10th solution is to disable performance mode. So start PS5, click the gear icon on the top right of your PS5 home screen. Then navigate to settings, save data and game/app settings. Scroll down to game presets, go to performance mode or resolution mode and select game default. Now you can launch the game and check. 11th solution is to delete game data and cache. Now here you have to make a note that you have to back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. So go to setting, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage delete. Now select Delta Force and then select delete OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. 12th solution is to change DNS server. Open PlayStation settings and navigate to network, set up internet connection. Select your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and choose automatic option for the IP address. Now select do not specify for DHCP hostname in the DNS settings and choose manual. And now enter the primary DNS as 8888 and secondary DNS as 8844. And for the proxy server, choose do not use. Now you can launch the game and check. Last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to the SSD. If you are using a SD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Delta Force game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps. So by this way you can fix the Delta Force crashing, not launching, freezing, not loading or stuck on loading screen, black screen issue on PS5. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.